Tesla guys can't get a break, huh? Looks like you guys are having a nationwide epidemic of meth addicts. Alright guys, just a quick informative video in the event that you drive a Rivian or a Tesla or anything else that uses the Tesla Supercharging system and you're going to be going out on a road trip or something this summer. You might want to check the official usage on a Tesla's site for the supercharging stations because of this. So as you guys can see, this is a Tesla supercharging station, and every single bank all the way down the line has been completely cut. Now, why was it cut? Well, pretty simple. It was cut because of drugs, basically. Drug addicts cutting them to get the copper out of the cables, recycle them, get whatever little money they can get out of those to go buy more dope. Now, this photo was actually from San Francisco, but it's happening in more places. There's a charging station not far from my house here in Las Vegas that had all but 2 of the charging stations cut, where they did the exact same thing. And as well as over by the Link in Las Vegas, they had a couple of them get cut. Now, it seems when people pop up, the people that are cutting these are running or trying to get away. But I think we're going to see more of it now that the dope fiends basically know, holy crap, there's a lot of copper in these charging cables. And they know that, especially if it's late at night, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, nobody's charging at the Tesla's charger station. It doesn't have any power running through it immediately. So they're literally going over there and just cutting these. They have to have some pretty big damn cable cutters to do it, but they definitely are doing it, as you guys can see in the photo. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. But with Tesla suspending, now there is some other news I want to talk about when it comes to that with Tesla. Tesla has fired or laid off their entire supercharging network staff. That means the people that were scheduling or designing and building these across the country, they no longer work for the company. They have been let go, meaning there will be no more supercharger stations built at this time. I personally think Elon is trying to force the hand of the Department of Transportation, the U.S. Department of Transportation, and have somebody like Pete Buttigieg or whatever maybe give Tesla a contract. Which would, if you guys drive Teslas, you guys, it sucks for you already because now you got Rivians and other, I think, did Ford finalize that deal with Tesla to be able to use their supercharger? I mean, you're going to have other electric cars competing for the stations that you guys are already lined up for, waiting 40 minutes just to plug in. So, yeah, that sucks. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I don't think this is going to get better anytime soon, and it's crazy because the same people that were supposed to maintain and work on those, a majority of that staff has also been laid off at Tesla. So who knows how long these supercharging stations that are cut stay that way. That's why I said make sure you verify on your route for your trips this summer, if you do own a Tesla and you are going to road trip the car, that the charging stations that your map says are there are actually functioning.